What's so funny about peace, love, and understanding? I don't know. It snowed outside. We think that's special.
Who are you talking to?
The people.
Which people?
The
Everyone
people,
in the world?
The people out there.
Everybody in the world?
Why not everybody? Hi, everybody. Oh, here's the hand again. See, she only wants the hand in because she doesn't like the way our faces look.
Not in that.
No, I mean, I understand. My face looks atrocious. I mean, look, what's this back here? What happened here? You won't. I wouldn't even have noticed this. I wouldn't even had to see this if it weren't for this crazy situation. So anyway.
Also the color. Ooh.
Yeah, I know. I'm not really this pink. I'm not.
He's not. I can vouch.
Say she'll vouch for me, but she still won't appear in the video.
No, I won't. I refuse.
You just have to understand.
It's really that I only am a hand.
Yes. That's true. Earlier we talked about how the hand proved that Diane actually exists, but it may just be a talking hand that I keep around the house, pretending it's actually a human being. That probably wouldn't be as good as an actual human being on so many levels, if you know what I'm saying.